Hello there! Today in this video we are going to take a look at the step-by-step process of how to set up the 12-point mandala. This Otauna pattern, called the sunset mandala, is a perfect example. Starting at the center, this mandala has 12 dots painted at every step, all the same size and all the same color. From there, the mandala grows out in 12 equal sections. Let's get started. Step 1, on whatever surface you're using, find and mark the center. Step 2, apply the center dot. Now we will begin to build 12 dots around this center dot in a very specific way. Dot 1 is going to be applied just above the middle dot. If the middle dot were a clock, it would be at the 12 o'clock position. Apply dot 2 at the 6 o'clock position. This will be immediately below the dot you have already painted. Rotate your surface so that the first two small dots are now at the 3 o'clock and 6 o'clock positions. Apply the third dot of the 12 at the new 12 o'clock position. This essentially divides the distance between dot 1 and dot 2 in half. Dot 4 goes at the new 6 o'clock position, directly below the last dot you just painted. This creates 4 of the 12 dots, all equal distance apart from each other. Now rotate your surface slightly so that your 4 dots essentially make the shape of an X if imaginary lines went through them. In order to create a 12-point structure, we now need to add 2 dots in between each of the dots already painted. We want these to be equal distance apart. This takes a little bit of practice. Repeat this, continuing to put 2 dots equal distance apart in each section. You will notice I continue to rotate my surface, so my hand is always placing dots from the same position. These last 2 dots will finish things up. I'll now have 12 dots of equal size and equal distance ready for me to continue building on my mandala. Now it's time to do some practice with some different size center dots and some different size little dots that go around to make the 12-point structure. You will find this practice sheet free and available for download at otauna.com, along with all kinds of other resources to help you on your dot mandala journey.